Baldwin County Bicentennial Park. We're gonna drive up here. We're gonna pull in up here and check out this little schoolhouse. No, it appears to be locked up. This is the little Red Schoolhouse. It was built in the Blakely community in the early part of the 20th century. School remained in operation until 1950. It was moved to the White House Fork area in the 1970s, where it served as a kindergarten classroom. It was restored and moved to Baldwin County School System Office Complex in Bay Minette. Then they moved it here in 2015. So this is basically a park. They moved some of the older buildings that were in Blakely. We just saw this place on our way to Isaac Creek the week before and said, you know, we're going to come check this out. The Montpelier Methodist Church. The settlement of Montpelier existed in North Baldwin County as early as 1813. This church was built around 1895. It's the Latham post office. Okay, this post office was established in the year 1940. I just love these old buildings and the history behind them.
General store and justice of the peace.
Oh, you could get it all done right here. You get married and buy you some bread. Authentic 20th century general store was located in Bryant's Landing in Baldwin County, North Baldwin County. Disappointing thing is they're all locked. So all you see is the outside. It's the blacksmith shop. All right, this is a replica of a 19th century blacksmith shop. So this is not an original building. But this would what it would look like during the day. It's a neat little park. I mean, they have like community centers, and we're gonna check this area out right here.
I guess I'm a little bit of a nerd because I want to see a plaque and get out and look.
Yeah, there's a plaque, so we gotta check it out.
The executive branch of the state of New York. It would be up to the state assembly.
All right, Bicentennial Park is dedicated on 200th anniversary of Baldwin County to those many generations of men and women who dared to dream, who had the courage and conviction to stand, and have offered a rich legacy of history and unique culture. May we never forget their contributions, so that maybe carry on the spirit not only for today but also for generations to come. Named for Abraham Baldwin, who the county was named after. Okay, dedicated 2009. It's the Veterans Memorial part of the park. Each monument at the site pays tribute to the veterans of the war, acknowledges the sacrifice of these brave soldiers made to give the freedoms we enjoy today. Monuments include World War I, World War II, War of 1812, Vietnam War, and Korean War. And I do see the Iraq War too. Union weapon from the Civil War, Seacoast mortar. Weighs 17,200 pounds. Wow. Largest piece of artillery used in the Civil War. War of 1812, World War II. And the Order of Indian Wars.
Welcome.
Hello. Bricks in the memory of the ones who fought and lost their life in battle. Yay, when we get done, we get to look at the inside of a couple of the buildings we looked at, so that's good.
Around me and near Blakely down there, and
How nice it still looks after all these years.
yeah, they tried to keep it up. I think a lot of it was donated after they had shut down. But we got Schnatzkack up there, which I guess was used back then.
Yeah, something you don't see anymore is the Ten Commandments in the schoolhouse. tiny encyclopedias.
How big is this? This area? This
Books from the
It's,
school books from the 1800s.
300 some acres, but only 120 are developed. Original.
Church was built 1895.
Yeah, these are kerosene lamps. And, we don't use them. And I don't know how.
This is the original building too. Floor's original.
We do have weddings here occasionally.
Yes.
Yeah.
We're getting married in November.
Oh yeah.
And I've seen it online, and we drove by, I Googled it, and I've seen online where you can have you can set up already.
Yeah.
What would be the price for that?
Oh, I have to look at the book. I think it's
I mean, I've already had it with you, but
I think it went up to 1940s.
you know, air conditioner, it's not that warm in here.
Yeah, it does stay cool until the middle of the afternoon. It gets pretty hot here. But you're right, because I guess when it's shut up, it doesn't get that hot.
Wow.
Here.
Yeah, it is.
It seems this is older than the 40s.
Some of those things are, yeah.
All right, this is the Native American Lifestyles exhibit. All right, this depicts Creek Indian life in the late 18th and early 19th century. This must be the American Traders Exchange building. They traded pelt with Indians. It must be the plow exhibit. It goes all the way down. This is what the Creek Indians huts looks like. There's really nothing in the buildings, but that concludes our little trip to the Bicentennial Park. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was pretty fun. Be watching for our next video.